And now, introducing to the world, Virgonation, let's welcome the beautiful, the amazing Alicia Keys. We're waiting on Carice right now. She's going to be the camera woman for this vlog or for this video. Is this a vlog?
It's a video.
You know, we don't know the difference.
It's
we just know say we make videos.
It's the same thing.
It's the same thing?
Yeah.
A lot of people think that if you take people along with everything that you're doing, that's a vlog. And if you're inside and doing a video, it's just a video, it's still a vlog, okay?
Alright, so for this video, I can't say anything then. Carice is going to be the videographer. It's been a while we haven't done anything like this, so it's gonna be beautiful. That's all I can say right now. Alright. Anyways, we're waiting on Carice. Where is she? Celebrity entrance. Like Kim. How they been planned? How they been guys same school? You remember the last time we did a video in here?
They never same school.
Celebrity entrance, alright. Call her this.
When you ready?
Yeah, that's press record, Carice.
Alright.
Ready?
Yeah.
This one is called Celebrity Inspired Makeover. So, I'm going to be doing Liz. Well, not doing, not doing, but you know, doing her makeover. See? And she's going to be doing me. Today, hold on. So why you laughing?
Because I'm going to be doing you.
So my inspiration, or should I say my reference today, is no other than, come closer, the beautiful Alicia Keys. I'm going to make Liz look exactly like.
How?
By giving you, you know, everything, try to give you everything that is in this. Right now she's wearing a nice sweat jacket. You know, like a tank top looking thing underneath, and you know, some big earring, I like it. And then the ponytail, kind of something wrap around the bun on the top of the head. I'm going to be doing all that. You know, if the makeup part Liz can do it.
Okay. Thank
yeah,
you.
but everything else is gonna be me. What are you doing?
So my inspo is Busy Signal, back in his corner days. Well, the photo I'm using, he's wearing a black jacket with a red shirt underneath and black jeans. He's wearing black shades. As for the hair part, I'm gonna try to corner remains here. But I can't do this fancy hairstyle, so I'm gonna do it back. As long as it's corner, right? It don't matter if it's crop toe looking, chicken foot looking kid, right?
What? You see the man
hurt me already.
Wait, hold on, first of all, Busy Signal, you're plat them. Yeah, plat.
Fancy.
Busy Signal, corner them, always on point. See? So you can't make the thing look too shabby. That was close.
But I mean,
right?
your texture here kinda rough on the hands, so. Let me see how it works. We're gonna toss a coin to decide who goes first. If I win, I do your makeover first, or I decide who I want to do it.
Yeah, you decide what you want.
Alright, so heads. Romania teeth. The direction that it came, why I'm turning it around. Why it turned from the side where it fall on.
What?
When I catch it, oh man.
As a professional people, the coin flipping.
Teacher the Carice. Come teacher.
But anyway,
again.
Do you want to go first? What do you do now? It fell on head.
Alright, first one.
Me moving before me see.
I hate it falling.
Alright, so the third one then. Let's go. Woo.
See? I was meant to be the winner.
Alright, got you.
Right. You do me here first?
Yeah.
Let me come get Let me come get some.
Boy!
My ears.
Wait! Where you going again?
Make a phone.
You know, that's fresh.
No, that's not your.
You know your standards. Anytime you start walk up and down about the place, I first you're worried about the outcome.
No, we're not.
Not gonna make you look like. No, I'm not gonna get on the picture, man. Alright.
One more thing.
Yeah.
Get in a trusted process.
You feel like that everything else is.
You don't want a professional?
What? What's up?
Why we give? Why we give? Why we give? That's what we are. Why we get Kev?
You relax?
I'm trying to be.
Don't fly no, you know. Whatcha?
Here, just say okay, because if we go at least and check once, so we go over.
Relax.
Wait, let's see. Here just have everything except the hair.
No, that part comes further on in the news. Ready? No. Alright. So remember, no, let me shake this up already. Remember now guys, we're going for the bun on top, and then we're gonna put the ponytail around that bun. Alright?
Alright.
You're tough like a stool.
He's such a liar.
Man, I must love to get over here. Who does that?
Don't move. Stay right there, stay right
You sure we can't get you up here? What else me not know about you? This is a good look.
How am I looking, Virgonation? Joking?
Yes, babe. Be careful.
If you just stick them together anyway.
No. Oh god. Why am I do this to you?
Alright. No, you good?
Someone didn't stick me. Oh, you're doing well. Someone didn't stick me either.
Feel like I do it for real.
Yeah.
Virgonation, how am I doing? Alicia Keys, have nothing for you now, babes.
Where's my phone? We need to show you back.
You're gonna love it, man. Oh gosh, babes. I know you're not the only man that look for that no more.
If you let me come in.
You feel like it? Gosh.
What about it to myself? How does it feel so? Being my brush.
Where is it, man? Elizabeth, don't move. I'm going to show you your look.
My hand zoomed. My face is zoomed.
Put the phone beside. Yeah?
Right. This is like.
Alicia Keys. Alicia Keys have no five minutes.
This is like Alicia Keys. But I'm paying up.
Come here, Virgonation. Look. No, take a look, man. This. I look valid.
This is a perfect example of what I asked for versus what I got.
Don't mind pull out the ear. Remember, expensive something. At least you can so you can't find it.
Romain.
Alright, you know what though? So Virgonation, relax. The next step now is for her to put on the clothes. So take your time with it.
Romain, I could use like an edge control and there's over here. This looks like a freeness.
Perfect, man. Is it you move up too much and put out the ear?
This is people. This is why you pay your money and go here.
No, mommy, I laugh so much. She's still shaky, man.
What happened? You need to brush.
Alright, so come on.
I'm really sorry about it. This is how I'm coming out of your salon. I feel proud.
There we have it. I feel like I did an excellent job. As you can see, this big smile on my face. I knew I could do it. I knew. It's just amazing.
You have anything to say to the people who thought you couldn't do it?
Look at me now. That's all. And now, introducing to the world, Virgonation, let's welcome the beautiful, the amazing Alicia Keys. Girl, you look so beautiful. Jesus.
The only thing I save me on my face.
Me can't let me touch you already, you know. Why? You're going to people with you. You're going to people with you.
Guys, not even like a baby ear? It could give me like a baby ear. Not even like a edges? You could have given me?
You look perfect.
I love blind, you know. Love she blind bad.
Virgonation, look. You look Virgonation. Talk it truth.
Me not tell no lie. You did impress me when I see your flat dead here.
But
honestly.
and then what?
But the only thing I just train on brushing my hair properly. That's all.
You look great.
Go ahead, but we look great. Thanks though.
Sorry, you have to go hard dog. I mean, no, you can't beat that. Ready?
Guys, talk to mommy here.
Carrie's not enough. Carrie's nose is shot.
She ain't a fun place. She started off what you doing to me. Please, Mr. Virgo, please have a seat in my salon.
So, my turn.
Let me try a thing or two.
Not much people can say Alicia Keys coming in here.
I can't do this.
Celebrity, I come here. Thanks, guys. Alicia Keys in my ear. Oh my gosh.
Alicia Peas.
This is gonna be so nice. Alicia, bring me water.
Alicia Peas are in. I can't really do the fancy nice hairstyle that you would usually have. But I'm gonna do a little thing.
Alicia Keys, your hands. Something about this.
His peas look good.
Oh, you never said that about me, you know?
I can't comment on the hairstyle. Beauty is in the eye of the beholder.
That's not too serious though.
Somebody. what kind of laugh? And it's a piece. Can I look at myself now?
Close the eyes.
Whoa! No, say you in. You gotta do it. No, you know what about? Wait, don't take off the cape yet.
What?
Ready? Spray down.
Nobody does that. I mean, nobody does that at the salon.
Of course.
No, honey.
Why did I spray as
But you need to know, you can't take off your cape, you have to turn him back way.
What's that? Me not understand
I
that.
said, look by yourself.
Big reveal.
Push back.
What is this?
What?
I dropped mine. You look like you go on with that again. Wow.
Come here, I'm busy.
You're right, you're busy this.
So no.
Right now he's busy. Have to change your clothes
No,
and then,
I change my clothes and forward. Virgonation, talk to me. How me look? Me look like busy?
No.
Or not yet?
This is a better looking chap.
My brother still here, I don't feel that way. I like literally my brother, so I don't feel that way. Watching me walk out. Thank you. Where's the shoes? Get me my shoes.
Delilah.
Romain, come and get your shoes.
Oh, what is this? Seriously?
What's it done?
I disrespect this.
Andrew, give it.
Jesus, please.
That's funny. Just make you hear it.
How do you feel about the job you did?
Honestly, I feel like I did a good job with what I got to work with. In here, not really on the good side of hairs. No, I'm not troubling. But in here, not long enough to really catch the edges. I may do with what I had.
So what do you say to the people who thought you couldn't do it?
Boo you. Boo you for not believing in me. When I open my salon, don't come. I'm not gonna do your hair.
What's
joke.
the name of your son gonna be?
Alicia Pease's place. Home sound.
Virgonation, tell her how she saw.
But people, if you believe in yourself, don't make nobody tell yourself you can't do it. Just believe in yourself and go out there and execute. No matter what it is, whether you have training night or not, go out there execute.
Alicia Pease, you don't have staff to clean up the salon?
No, one man army, one man show, And furthermore, I don't want to pay nobody out and they come and make. Yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, panel of judges, Virgonation, help me welcome Romain as Busy Signal!
Let's go! Step out in a
Supposing I'm black picture.
I only Romain as Busy Signal when I come out like that. Because Busy Signal calm. I don't know what's going on.
Alright, see you go.
Guys, fun fact, Romain and Busy Signal share birthdays, so it is only right that
It's my brother.
He would be the inspiration tonight. So I want to talk to my Virgonation, talk it through.
We'll look together.
Whenever could I do a collab? Did Alicia Keys and Busy Signal do a collab?
No, but we can make that happen. At all the time we get, you know, it's a good idea.
Alicia Pease and Busy Signal
Yeah.
are going to do one collab,
That's
okay?
together.
No, so me and Alicia Pease and you know what? Easy Ignal. Yeah guys, so yeah man, cast your votes below. Who?
Yeah. Let us know in the comments
Yeah.
who you think won this
Challenge.
I feel like we do an excellent job. I feel like we're going with this enough. I'm done, but what you can tell me? I feel like you do a good job.
When you know what, just remember, not even baby here. Not even baby here.
You didn't even spin and show them the back. You understand? Because that's the winner right there.
Thank you guys so much for watching. We hope you had as much fun watching as we did making this video. And just double check if you have already subscribed. If you have not already done so, please hit that subscribe button. Not only that, go ahead and invite everybody that you know to subscribe to the Virgos YouTube channel. What else should they do, Romain?
Basically, what you can do, see, is get busy by, subscribing right now. What are you doing? You're wasting time. You know what I mean?
Subscribe already.
Is that already?
What the rest of them? Like?
Oh, like, share, comment, because we read the comments. So let us know in the comments who won. I feel like a guy with already promotion for myself. You know what I mean? Yeah. Let us know. Thank you so much, and see you in our next video.
Yes, guys, and hit that notification button so you'll be notified when we post our next video. See you in our next video.
Alicia, wait, Alicia, come in, come do the tune.
Earring too big. Yeah, you.
Hey.
Yeah, you. I'm not trying to think.
Quirky boys. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. My name is Liz, he's Romain, and we are the Virgos.
Let's go.
Today, we're gonna do a tutorial. We're gonna teach you guys how to make a YouTube video. First of all, you need a bump personality like myself. Second of all, you need to know how to hold the camera, how to shoot, and how to edit like my husband behind the camera.
Oh my god.
Ew!
You laugh, I laugh.
Man.
Jesus.
Come on, man.
Never hear it.
Ugh.
I go up, Carrie's not coming right now.
Oh my god.
Carrie's not coming yet. Continue.
And third of all, you have to be prepared for the unexpected. And when I say be prepared for the unexpected, I mean be prepared for lapses, memory loss, for the camera to fall, for the cameraman to forget to press play or record, for the cameraman to forget to press record, and just.
And I think that's all again. Sometimes we forget to turn on the mic on the camera.
It's full of too much gadgets.
Luckily we start use phone nowadays.
You know what? And you just have to enjoy what you're doing. That's the key.
And you have to remember to take out the earphone with your ears.
Oh, snap! Yes, so thank you for watching my video. Check the link in the description box so you can find out how to follow us on all socials.
Yeah.
I'm itsy_Elizabeth on Instagram, and Romain is real Romain Virgo on Instagram. And we also have a page for our family and you guys. It's called the Virgos JA. Yeah.
Alright.
Thank you. See you next time.